Hello, my name is KIAAN and I am in Melbourne, Australia. I am in grade 6 and my school is Mount View Primary School. So my project is about image processing. Image processing is when you detect different objects in the world in photos and videos. So the idea behind my project is that a person can go on my application and click a button to detect whatever they want to detect on the webcam. So this can be used in many different ways in real life. In real life, a person would want to detect their face, for example, and then they could go on this application and select the face button, and then they can easily detect their face. So this is one of the many different ways you can use this application. So now I will show you this application. This application is called image processing. Now there are three segments: facial features detection, black and white, and edge and image segmentation. So in the first section, facial features detection, there is a button called face. So if I click on this face, it will detect my face. So as you can see, this easily detects my face. Now, if you go on eyes, as you can see, it is trying to detect my eyes. Now if I click on nose, you can see it's trying to detect my nose. Now, the next section is called black and white. This section is where the whole video gets converted into a different color, like black and white or gray. So the first button is called gray. This button converts the whole picture into grayscale. The next button is called black and white. As you can see, this converts my face into black and the other stuff into white. This is because it converts all the colors that are brighter than gray into white and all the colors that are darker than gray into black. Now this other button is called white and black. This is the exact opposite of the button before. This converts my face into white and the background into black. Now this is gray and black. This converts my face into black and everything else into grayscale. Now it is black and gray. As you can see, this makes my face gray and you can easily see my face, but the rest of the background is black. Now, the last segment is called edge and image segmentation. There are two buttons, edge detection and image segmentation. So in the first button, I will click edge detection. As you can see, this detects my face in black and everything else in black, but all the edges are white. Now it will click image segmentation. As you can see, all of the different segments of the image are outlined by red lines. This segments all the different parts of the image. So as you can see, this app is very useful and has many different uses. I want to thank TinkerCoders for helping me in this journey and help teaching me this project. So thank you.